How do we know our strengths or abilities? Sometimes we use effective communication when conversing with students. Examples: well done, you are really good at English. That's great, you tried really hard and look how well you have done. So, what's the difference between the two statements? It is important to praise the process, not the talent or ability. So, that is why you should never praise students by talking about their ability, but instead describe their effort they put in and how much they learned and developed their ability through the activity. So my topic for today is mindset. There are two kinds of mindset. Some are born with certain level of ability and no one can change them. This is called fixed mindset. Some can develop their ability through hard work and effort. So this is called growth mindset. So these two mindsets have different behavior and they have different results. Students, those who have growth mindset, were proven to increase their grades. Students who believe they can't do anything, their grades go worse. Therefore, students must have growth mindset. They must believe that they are in control of their ability and can learn and improve. So, when this is done, they progress and success becomes their hallmark. To add more, your hard work, effort, and persistence and your belief is important for the growth of your career. So, with this I wind up. So, develop the growth mindset, not fixed mindset, and you are sure to succeed in your life. So, thank you and hope my video has given some input about this mindset today. So, students, do take care and see that you develop yourself, you develop your ability more and more so that you get exposed to your professionalism in learning. Right? Thank you and do take care. See you in the next video. Until then, Satya signing off. Do take care. Bye bye.